Aaron and Hope, where do we get our water from?
Great question, Julie.
Long Island is located in New York State. It has an estimated population of 7,568,000 people and embodies nearly 40% of New York State's population.
By definition, an aquifer is a body of permeable rock that can contain or transmit groundwater. The three most important Long Island aquifers are the Upper Glacial Aquifer, the Magothy Aquifer, and the LIYS Aquifer.
Wow, I never knew aquifers existed.
Hey Aaron and Hope, what are some pollutants in our water?
Chemicals like arsenic, nitrogen, and sulfate are found in high concentration levels on the north and south shores. The nitrogen comes from our waste management facilities who dump in the ocean, land runoff containing high levels of nitrogen fertilizer pollutants, insecticides, pesticides, and from fossil fuels.
For example, Grumman, located in Bethpage, was a defense contractor that made military planes and equipment for the U.S. government. Production stopped in 1998, but not before solvents, cadmium, volatile organic chemicals, and other contaminants found their way into the aquifers, the source of Long Island's drinking water.
A monitoring well is a well drilled into a water source for easy water sampling and testing to ensure there is no contamination. 2 drinking water wells in Levittown were closed in July 2013 after the discovery of low concentrations of Freon, a chemical used in cooling and refrigeration, and trichloroethylene, or TCE, a solvent used to degrease machines that could be associated with cancer.
A plume is the location of contamination. Plumes near Grumman have been growing larger ever since the 1940s in towns like Hicksville, Bethpage, Levittown, and Plainedge.
In the 1940s through 1998, the Navy and what is now Northrop Grumman operated manufacturing facilities on a 609-acre site in Bethpage. In 1947, chromium was found in the groundwater south of the Grumman site.
In 1986, Nassau County reveals shallow plume of contamination sinking and moving southeast as shown in Plume 1 from the sites. In 2009, a more contaminated, deeper plume is found coming from Bethpage Community Park as shown in Plume 2.
In 2012, the DEC issued a cleanup plan for the park plume. In 2013, contaminants from the plume were discovered in 2 Levittown wells near Wantagh Avenue and Entry Lane, which are now closed.
In 2014, the Navy reveals high levels of TCE discovered, and Governor Andrew M. Cuomo signs legislation ordering review of cleanup plan. In 2015, the Navy and Northrop Grumman probed groundwater quality north of Hempstead Turnpike and north and south of the southern state.
You may not know it, but even little things around your house affect the quality of our drinking water. In order to protect it, try to reduce the amount of water you use, carpool with a neighbor, and decrease the use of fertilizers and pesticides.
Remember, if it goes on the ground, it goes in the sound.